Lakshmi Narayan Mandir, an insight to Birla Mandir. One of the major temples in Delhi, Sri Lakshmi Narayan Mandir is positioned at Mandir Marg near heart of Delhi, Connaught Place. The temple is dedicated to one of the various discourses of Lord Vishnu and Goddess Lakshmi, who are together known as Lakshmi Narayan. History. Lakshman Singh, one of the caretakers of the temple, while articulating the history, told us that the area for the temple was granted by British officials due to efforts of Mahatma Gandhi and Raja Baldev Das Birla. The construction began in 1933 under the patronage of Baldev Das Birla and Jugal Kishore Birla. Hence, the temple is also called the Birla Temple. This Lakshmi Narayan Mandir became the first in series of temples built by Birlas across the nation. Undoubtedly, the temple is the most interesting one in the lot of shrines crowning the city of Delhi. The temple not only inhabits deities of Hindu gods and goddesses, but also preachers like Guru Gobind Singh and Sant Ravidas, etc. A serene experience. The temple has a very serene aura and is probably the most innovatively soul-enticing spot. Along with the deities of gods and goddesses, mirrors are strategically hung in places such that while looking in the mirrors, one can see deities standing along with themselves, thus proclaiming the Almighty is omnipresent and is with one always. The Gita Bhavan provides a refreshing experience alongside imparting the message of humility towards mankind through paintings of Indian myth. The temple is an amalgamation of modern architecture and age-old myths which has captivated visitors across the globe. Jack, a visitor who had come all the way from Sweden to meditate in temple premise, said this place is a way to salvation and comprehension of humankind. Metaphors for guiding life. In Gita Bhavan, two mirrors are placed parallelly at the entrance and reflect infinite doors. This perhaps meant that there might be several ways of praying, but all ways reach to the Almighty. This idea was an innovation by Mahatma Gandhi, who while inaugurating the temple in 1939 made sure that this place was free from the caste system. Therefore, anybody of any caste and creed can enter this temple. During festivities, lines are made for darshan from 1 kilometer away from the temple. Millions of people come every year during Janmashtami to seek blessings from Lakshmi Narayan, and scores of people like Jack come to the temple to feel the calm away from the chaotic reality. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.